This is your orientation for your IELTS writing task 2, which is your essay. So you have two parts in writing. We have already discussed the letters. So there are letters and there are essays. The letter accounts for 33% of your score. The essay accounts for 66% of your score. Similarly, with timings, this is to be done in 20 minutes and this is to be done in 40 minutes. All right, I will explain it. You are required to attempt your essay in 40 minutes and the minimum word limit is 250 words. So you must not fall below the 250 word mark or your marks will be automatically deducted. Your essay is worth 66% of your writing score, which comes out to be 6 bands. 3 bands are for your letters, 6 bands are for your essay, and total 9 for writing. You will be marked according to your performance in 4 key areas. Just like the letter, these key areas are task response, which means like task achievement. Have you achieved every bit that was asked of you? There are many questions within one question. Have you written everything that was required of you? The next is coherence and cohesion. Does your essay have a central idea? Does it have a central theme? Are you able to explain things logically? That is coherence and cohesion. Then vocabulary and grammar. These are pretty simple. Vocabulary, you need a sprinkling of vocabulary in your essay. And as far as grammar goes, you need good sentence structure. You can vary different types of sentences and you need to be grammatically correct. Each of these will account for 25% of your score. They are equally important and in your total score of 6 bands, you will be judged 1/4 each. Okay, so 1/4 marks go for task response, the next 1/4 for coherence and cohesion, vocabulary and grammar. Essay writing is always formal. Please remember this. In letters, we have 3 different types of letters, as in they can be formal, semi-formal or informal. But an essay is always formal, therefore use appropriate tone. You will always use crisp formal language. Do not use slangs, do not use contractions if possible, and always be logical. One question may contain more than one sub-question. As we have already discussed, there will be multiple parts of one question and you have to attempt all these parts for appropriate marks in task response. You cannot miss any part of the question. An essay must necessarily have 4 to 5 paragraphs, not more, not less. So the minimum number of paragraphs in an essay should be 4 and the maximum should be 5. Okay. The first para should always be the introduction where you ease your examiner into the topic. We don't jump into the topic, we slowly get into the topic by using an introduction where we talk generally about the topic. The second and the third paragraphs, and if required, the fourth para, must be body of the essay. So for the body of the essay, you can use 2 or 3 paragraphs. You must not use only 1 para for the body. Okay, I'll explain why. So you use at least 2 paras, maximum 3 paras for the body, and the last para is always the conclusion where you sum up everything. So you must not use only 1 para for the body of the letter. There need to be 2 or 3 paras because you will be judged on coherence and cohesion. And every paragraph must have one central idea. All right. So if you have, let's say, only one body, one paragraph body, then you will have conflicting ideas in that one paragraph, which will not be right for coherence and cohesion. You will get your marks cut. So you need to have one central idea in each paragraph in order to get a decent score. Therefore, you must use 2 or 3 paragraphs. The essay topics are generally of the following 3 types: Either you get opinion based essays where they can ask for your opinion or others' opinion on some topic, or they may ask for all of it, your opinion plus others' opinion, depends on the topic, but it will be opinion based. What people think, I think, some people think, other people think, that way. Then there can be advantages and disadvantages type of essay or problems and solution type of essay. In advantages and disadvantages type of essay, you will be given a statement which will be related to one central theme, idea, and the advantages and disadvantages of that thing. In the problem and solution type of essay, there will be a problem that will be discussed, and you will have to give appropriate solutions. You will have to describe the problem and give appropriate solutions. So as we go through our essays, I will be giving you fair ideas about every topic that we discuss, and they will be of these 3 types. So all the best, and I hope you do well.